In today's video, I am going to teach you how to watch employee calling report in Freshsales. To begin, make sure you are signed in to Freshsales and looking at your main workspace. For this process, you will be working from a contact record because that is where Freshsales stores the conversation history tied to that person. This is useful when you want to review calling activity linked to a specific contact, including who made the call and what was logged. First, go to the left sidebar and click on the Contacts module. This opens your contacts list, where you can browse or search for the person whose calling activity you want to review. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the right contact, especially if multiple people have similar names. Opening the correct record ensures the call information you see matches the employee interactions you are trying to check. Next, select the specific contact record you want to review. When you click into the record, you will land on the contact details page. This page contains the main profile information, along with related activities and communication history. If you do not immediately see the options you need, do not worry. Some tools are tucked into the side navigation within the record. On the details page, move your cursor to the left sidebar area and hover there to expand the additional functions. In Freshsales, this sidebar can stay collapsed to save space, so hovering helps reveal more menu items. Keep your cursor steady for a second so the menu fully expands and the labels are easy to read. Once the sidebar is expanded, choose Conversations. This is the section where communication channels are organized for the contact. Within Conversations, click Call Logs. After you open Call Logs, you will be able to view the calling records associated with that contact, including entries that reflect employee calling activity. Use this view to confirm call history, timing, and log details based on what your team recorded. That covers everything you need to know.